Hey guys, welcome back to Living in the Mom Lane. My name is Mandy. Thank you for joining me. I look a little rough today. Isabella and I just came back from Disney World. We had a mommy-daughter day. We had a blast. We were able to ride the big rides. So now I have the girls working on a little art project, so I thought it would be a really good time to clean out my refrigerator. I'm gonna be going to the grocery store tomorrow, so I like to have a nice cleaned out fridge. I also did some meal planning by what leftovers we have in the refrigerator and what I have in the pantry. I always try to grocery shop my home first and then go out to the grocery store and get things that I really need. That does help save on cost and it helps you save on wasting food. Go ahead and get started. I'm gonna clear out the top shelf and the second shelf, and then I'll close the refrigerator doors. That way everything else will stay cool. My refrigerator really isn't that dirty. When I see crumbs or anything, or I see a spill, I just clean it up as soon as I see it. There are a few little crumbs underneath where some of the items were, but it's really not that dirty. To wipe out the fridge, I'm using my microfiber e-cloth. All I'm using is water, and I will leave the link down below for Grove Collaborative. That's where I bought this set from. It's the kitchen set, and it comes with the glass polishing cloth, which is really nice. All of the glass containers you see there on the countertop, that's our leftovers that we're going to be using up this week. So this week's grocery haul is actually very small and it didn't cost very much. I think by the time you see this, I will have gone to the grocery store and I only spent like $45 this week, which is a lot less. Usually I spend around $100 to $150 a week on groceries. So I'm just going through everything, looking at expiration dates, looking at if we've even actually been eating it. There was one Atkins coffee drink or something like that. I opened it because I know it had been in there a while, and when I poured it out, it chunks. So that was pretty gross. And then there was like some sour cream and stuff like that that needed to be tossed. So now I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in and go ahead and start pulling things off the other two shelves. I just did the sniff test on some grilled ham that was left in there. It did not smell too well, so in the trash it went. We love our cheese around here, so we have a full drawer for just the cheese. We do also put our tortillas in there. The drawer has a few crumbs in it, so I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out and then dry it and put it back in the fridge and then reload it. I'm using a vegetable peeler and I'm taking the top layer off of the carrots, and then I'll cut the ends off and put them in a container so that it's easier to grab and eat. Y'all, this bologna was so gross. It had green stuff all over the edges of it. So now it's time to clean off the doors. This refrigerator, I absolutely love it. It came with these little removable mats or liners for 2 of the shelves. You just pull them out and you can rinse them and wash them and then put them back in. I love these. I used to always put folded up paper towels in the bottom of the shelves because milk and other things would get on the shelf. But these little mats are just awesome. All right, so that is how I usually clean out my refrigerator. Like I said earlier, if I see a spill or something on one of the shelves, I go ahead and clean it up. That way it doesn't get stuck on, and when I go to clean out the refrigerator like I did today, it's much easier. You're not having to use cleaning products and using a lot of elbow grease. You just really have to wipe it down. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap on the bell to receive notifications of when I post new videos. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.